Black pepper. Black pepper is derived from the fruit of a climbing vine native in southern India and Sri Lanka. Used almost universally, black pepper is one of the most common condiments worldwide and figures prominently in most curry recipes. It is also frequently included in the prescriptions of Ayurvedic and other traditional health practitioners. The spicy tang of black pepper is due to its most important and well-researched phytochemical, piperine. Thanks to many of its constituent compounds such as eugenol, camphorol, myrcene, glycerin, and rutin, black pepper is a much more effective antioxidant than many fruit and vegetables. Moreover, it contains the unique compound piperine that is capable of enhancing the bioavailability of important nutritive compounds in other foods and spices. Where to buy black pepper? Virtually any grocery store or supermarket will have black pepper in their spice section. How to take black pepper? You can chew 5 black peppercorns per day or simply just add it into your food's recipes. Since it can be potent, you should start out taking low doses of it, approximately 5 mg to 10 mg every day. Gradually increase the dosage once you are familiar with its effect on you and any medications you take. The ideal dosage for increasing metabolism and absorption is 50 mg per day. Black pepper weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of filtered water, 1 tablespoon freshly ground black pepper. Optional: 1 tablespoon of honey. Also optional: 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And also optional: 1 heaping teaspoon freshly chopped ginger. How to prepare? Bring the water to a boil. Add all other ingredients and turn off the heat. Allow to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Strain into mugs and drink while hot. Benefits. For centuries, black pepper and other types of pepper have been used in Ayurveda and alternative medicines for reducing free radicals, increasing circulation, reducing joint stiffness, easing sinus pressure, promoting weight loss, and balancing the body's water content. This wonder spice also helps to promote sweating and urination, thus help to get rid of toxins in the body. Precaution. Black pepper is found to cause stomach burns when taken in large quantities. When large quantities of black pepper enter the lungs, it may cause death. Black pepper is known to cause burning sensation inside the stomach in certain people, and they should check the quantity of black pepper being consumed before discarding it fully. Crushed black pepper can cause a burning sensation in the eyes if it accidentally enters the eyes. One should wash the hands after using black pepper, and it's better to use a soap for the same. There are certain cases in which black pepper reacts with medicines. Black pepper may cause some irritation to pregnant women and may cause some allergies to breastfeeding mothers. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to make sure black pepper is safe for you.